It is Bybit season, and today let's talk about how you can trade on Bybit as a beginner. So let me let you know, trading is very profitable, but also it's stressful. If you don't know it, even those who know it, still they have to go through challenges. They lose money and sometimes depression and stuff. But well, life is all about risk. But sometimes you need to take calculated risks. You need to follow people who know. So today I'm going to share one or two things you need to know when you are trading with the Bybit platform. Then you will see I have a trade that I don't know whether I'm losing or I'm winning, but you get to see that one. So straight, you see the interface is like this. So if you are a new user, you just go and start sign up. You sign up and you start trading. So once you start trading, you are going to get a demo account where they will give you the opportunity to see the demo account, and you can use the demo accounts to do your trading. So, and there are a lot of opportunities, there are a lot of rewards that you can get using the Bybit platform. A lot of bonuses that you need to see. You see demo accounts, you click on demo account and you get the opportunity to use the demo account. So once you get in, you need to do what? Verify that yes, you are human, and to protect you. So security verification is very important. You can use that for any ID card of your country, and you verify and start once you sign up. So quick glance through. When you go here, we have Web3. When you go, we are going to use the exchange. Web3, basically, maybe if you want to store, if you want that type of wallet that you need to store your cryptocurrencies, the ones that we have like on different platforms, you can just go there, but mostly we use the exchange. So once you come here you're going to see a lot of things. You can join the VIP program. You can also be an affiliate, whereby you get the opportunity to sign up and sign other people up and make money. So you can also see different things. So once you come here, you see the market trades, derivatives. Mostly I use derivatives, whether USD perpetual or USDC perpetual. You can also do futures, but let's go to the derivatives for you to see. So USD perpetuals for you to see. So you can see this is how it looks like, and currently I have a trade down minus negative 2. So it simply means that a trade is not something that I'm winning now, but I'll win it eventually, because the secret is that you can see it's gone up and has come down. So I was here, I could have ended the trade, but I knew that no, there are more opportunities up here, because it's going to hit this yesterday's high. It has crossed yesterday's high. Simply means it's going to be coming to bounce back, and it's going to give me that winning edge. So there are things that you need to also look at. Once you are trading. Very, very important. There are things that you need to look at. Very, very important. So I have the moving averages, SMA 9, and I've done it in such a way that you can see I have the 32, 13, 5, and so the VWAPA. Then you can see, so MACD, this is the MACD indicator. So once you look at this, it can give you an edge as to whether you're going to whether the chart is coming down or is going up, right? So you can see like this. So it simply means here you can see that it is decreasing. Simply means the price is decreasing. People are buying it cheaper. They are selling rather. I get me. So from here, it's giving you an indication that things are getting out of hand. Then you can short. So, but you can see that actually it has shown that the decreasing is coming. It's still decreasing. I get me. So once it even stands red, you know that the thing is. So you can also look at here, this side or this side. You can see that it started increasing, and this was what influenced me to buy, to long it, right? But now it shows that it's not decline, and that shows that consistently, because it keeps on moving consistently to show that it's coming down. Now you can see this one is also supporting this. And once this one crosses this, you should know that it's actually going down. The blue indicator crosses the kind of like, is it yellow or whatever indicator? It simply means the price is going down. And in the same vein, once it crosses up, it tells you that the price will go up. So let me show a classical example here. You see, the blue indicator crossed the yellow or whatever you want to term it, and it shows that it wanted to rise. And you see that was why the price actually rose from this side all the way to that. And once it was here, you see that it crossed down and it started going down. So this simple technique can help you to do more in terms of understanding your trade. So once you sign up, let me show you this. You are going to get the standard trading view like this. But this, I don't like it. So normally I just switch to the trading view. And this is the trading view that me and you will all know we use. And you can also open trading view on a different chart and use that one. But I'm comfortably using this one because I can read this one better. And it just gives you the edge to be able to know. So now, this one, the price shows that it's coming down, but it can deceive you sometimes. You see that it's trying to come down, but it's actually going up because someone has bought, there's growth and stuff. But here you see that it is going to come down and has consistently shown. So you need to understand this and you need to trade well to be able to make sure that you understand or you are winning your trades. And sometimes you need to understand stop losses and taking profits. It's here. So to take profit or stop loss, it will help you to either minimize the amount of money you're losing. But with this one, I don't have stop losses on that because I know the liquidity price, which is going to be 58,000. So practically, it may come down. It may just get me liquefied, but now the price is around 65,000. So coming to 58,000 within a short period of time is practically impossible. But then I keep on monitoring this to see if the price is doing something I don't like, I can just end the trade. But in your case, you need to learn how to put in stop losses and how to take profits because you need to minimize the risks involved. So that's a bit of it. You can join my Telegram group and I'll be sharing more and more of how to trade. And also you get to learn and you can also be an affiliate. So thank you very much. If there's value in this, please kindly let me know. If you have questions, to let me know. Then we get to answer and do more. Thank you.